Listen up. Do you want to make emails that hit like Fenty, but without hiring a huge team? You're going to want to listen to this. I'm going to show you how to create 12 months worth of assets for email campaigns using Canva like the big brands do. And like in the other tutorial, I scouted out some templates that I like, and I also have 3 different designs in here. I'm going to insert exactly how to do that so that you can have 3 different size designs in one actual document. You have your templates already sorted out. You also want to open a Sheets document separate on the side because you'll need to flip back and forth between the 2 of them. In my Sheets, I have my columns labeled as such. You can see I have sent name main, image main, tagline main, long, sent name medium, astrology sign medium, and image medium. You'll see that these correspond directly to what I have going on in my templates shortly. Going back to the main template that I started, you'll see that I have scent of the month, I have serum, I have the tagline, and then the shop now. Also the main image. Those are places where I will be able to connect data to. I want the scent of the month to stay the same. That will not change. But I do want the name of the actual scent to go where the serum is, and I want the tagline to go where the tagline is, and of course I want the image to change as well. When you go back to the spreadsheet, you can see that everything that I have on the spreadsheet corresponds to what's happening in my main image. When I go to the next one or the next size of my document, I'm just going to go ahead and edit this so that it can make sure that I can fit things in. But if it can't, it can't. But you see along my spreadsheet, I only have one thing that says long, so there's no confusion in what's what. When you see that I have places for text to go, at the top where that serum is, there's also a line where it says serum like down towards the bottom, and then there's 2 pictures for images, which also correspond to things on the spreadsheet. I left the columns for images blank so that, I can fill them in and show you exactly how I fill them in. Most of the time I get my assets from the actual client. For your business, they should be your assets, or you can utilize some of the AI functions that Canva has. But for this, we'll use this. I need astrological signs, which are very basic, which will go into the medium size template that is a part of the document. So I'm just going to use Canva, search, and pretty much pull up every astrological sign and make sure that kind of, everything matches and goes together and fill it in. And because this is the internet, magically everything is all filled in. For the image medium column, we were able to just pull stock stuff that was from Canva because it's just astrological symbols. So that's very basic and it's already in Canva. However, for the next column, which we need for the main image on our main template, these are fake products. So of course I'm going to have to create them. We're going to use the Canva generate images here. So I just click in the box that I need, go to elements, and type in exactly what I'm looking for. Now, if I click the regular purple search arrow, you'll see that basic stuff is just underneath it. It doesn't work. But if you click generate images, AI will step in and put its imagination to work. And look at this. I now have a perfume fragrance bottle based off of the sign that I was looking for. I had finished all of that, and I've decided that I'm going to actually take these product images and add them to my last medium template. So I'm going to copy and paste them over there and into that column. Because of the way the template is set up, the images that will be on the medium one do not need a background, whereas the ones on the main template do. So I'm just going to copy and paste all of those images into another column.